This is probably the coolest thing I own. It's a chainsaw. Should I start it up? Would that be crazy or like, is that chill? I don't know. You guys tell me. Is it weird to like start a chainsaw? Imagine if I just took the chainsaw and just fucking cut the camera. Would that be insane or would that be normal? Like I feel like that's like a normal thing to do. Is like just whip the chainsaw out. But yeah, this is definitely the coolest thing I own, I'd say. Chainsaw. I would turn it on, but it's like 8 o'clock. I don't know if that's like the best idea, but we got this chainsaw, dude. Should I just leave this? Should I just leave the chainsaw on my desk? Honestly, that's kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. That's actually hard, bro. Leave the chainsaw on the desk? Okay. Should I wear the hard hat? Wait, what do we got? I was hoping for a samurai sword. Okay, bro. Honestly, cut my couch? Bro, I can't cut my couch, but honestly, I might. I might cut my couch for you guys. But, wait, I'm trying to think. Do I have a samurai sword? I feel like I have one somewhere. Okay, wait, let me think. Do I have a samurai sword? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I really think I have a samurai sword. I just can't remember where it is. I think it's upstairs in this garage. Turn it into a sectional, bro. Bro, honestly, if we had enough viewers, on God, I would cut that fucking couch in half. I'm not even playing right now. I would cut that thing so fast. Oh, but I swear I had a samurai sword. I'm trying to think what I did with it. I feel like it actually might be in here. No samurai sword. There's no samurai sword. I'll follow. Bro, I'm not gonna cut my couch for you to. Okay, I actually might. That's actually not a bad offer. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that a good deal? If anyone thinks it's a good deal for me to cut my couch for him to follow me, you'll follow twice? Bro. This is a nice couch, bro. It doesn't have to be the couch? Okay, so do you want me to just cut something else? I will cut something else. If you guys both follow me, I'll cut something else. Okay, bro, cutting the couch would be god tier, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That would actually be fucking crazy. I'm not gonna disagree with you on that, bro. Oh, we gotta get this camera up. Dude, something about... Wait, it's crooked. Something about not sitting in a chair just feels right, bro. Fuck. Should we at least start it up? That'd be crazy. Alright. If you guys follow, I'll start it up. I'll start with that. That's my deal so far. And maybe after, I'll think about cutting something. I need to find something to cut though. You followed? Alright, let me refresh. Let me verify. If you followed, I will turn it on right now. Oh, I got 2 followers. Alright, you guys are actually my first followers ever, which is kind of fucking dope. Alright, we're starting it up. That's a fair trade, I feel like. I'm about to start a chainsaw in my house, bro. Alright, let's see. Wait, hold up. We gotta put the choke on. I haven't started this in so long. Wait. Alright, the deal's a deal. I started the chainsaw. We have another viewer. Welcome to the new Twitch. Oh, bro, it actually smells so bad in here now. I can't believe I started that. Fucking... Bro, this is the best stream, bro. I'm telling you. I'm gonna be the biggest streamer, I promise you, bro. Alright, if we get enough viewers in here, I will cut the couch. I'm not gonna lie, I'll literally do anything, bro. I don't care. Oh, it stinks in here, bro. Alright, what should we do next? Honestly, I have loads of power tools, so if you guys want to see more tools, we can definitely do that. But I guess for now, I'll solve this Rubik's Cube. Best stream. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Best stream. I've never even had viewers. I'm not even kidding. It's probably just because I play video games, and today, for whatever reason, I was like, I'm going to switch it up, bro. The second coolest thing I own? Fuck. I'm trying to think, bro. I don't want to disappoint. I feel like the chainsaw was a pretty good thing. The second coolest thing I own. Oh, let me think, bro. Okay, I know what it is. I actually know what it is, but you guys are gonna have to wait. I have to go find it. I'll be right back. If you guys can wait, I'll go grab it. But I don't want you guys to leave. This is a good stream. I have something really good, but I gotta go get it. Alright, I'm gonna go get it. You guys stay here, okay? I'll be right back. It's worth it, I promise. It's worth it. Alright. Alright, cool. I'll be back. I'll be back.
You to save me. I need you to save me. Cause all I want is you. Nobody else will do. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. I feel so brand new. I hope you feel it too. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. Let's make it me and you.
What do you think? This is it. This is the second coolest thing I own. A full Blockbuster merch. I feel like this is pretty fly, I'm not gonna lie. R.I.P. Bro, so I actually... Bro, you fuck with it? Is this actually clean? I feel like it's clean, bro, with the hat, the glasses too, like... This is actually clean, bro. Like, name someone else you know that has this, bro. I promise you. I promise you, you'll never see this shit. This is rare. Blockbuster drip, bro. I actually think, oh, I couldn't find it, but I have a shirt. I have the shirt too, I just didn't put it on. Wearing all blue, give us a crip. How do you do a crip sign? I don't know how to do it. Okay, wait. Bro, actually, I don't know if that's a good idea, bro. I don't know if I should do that. I don't know if I want this smoke. Okay, let me look up how to do a crip sign. Dude, I feel like that's not a good idea, bro. Let's see. Wait. Oh, I lost you guys. Okay, here we go. How to do grip sign. Okay. Wait. Oh, like this? Is it like this? Is that fucked up? I feel like I shouldn't be doing that, bro. I feel like I shouldn't be doing that. That's actually crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. Bro, don't clip that, please. Like, we don't need that type of energy, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright, so we started. Dude, if we get enough viewers, I'm cutting that couch, I swear to God.
Fluctuate with the swag, I can keep it classy, hoes moving sassy.
That's better. That's better.
She said I make it look easy.
Dude, I honestly,
Do me dirty, always teasing.
not the gang sign. Oh, the dance. Oh shit, wait, what's the dance, bro? It's just a dance, man. It's not gang affiliate.
She love that I don't need.
Oh, fuck, okay. Okay, wait. So what is the dance? Bro, what is the fucking dance? What is the dance, guys? What is this shit?
Yeah, I couldn't care less to say with my chest. My actions speak louder than a distress. I'm tripping. Triple hate you when I spit the flavor. Now they're looking at me like
Bro.
I said, yeah, I'm the role model of my worst behavior. Hot
Oh, a
G with
crip
cold
walk.
saver. Come like Hercules when
Fuck.
I'm about my
Okay.
face as much as I am paper. I love my fans like I love my haters. She don't turn up, so I just can't rate her. She don't like anime, so I can date her. Ain't trying to fall in love.
Oh shit. Okay, I think I can do that, honestly. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Wait, I feel like we need music for this shit, bro. Hold up. We're gonna get music. Wait.
But she's saying just a tip. You only a beat while you trying to lips. Now you looking for reasons to love me quick. She hit me up saying she love my dick and she catch a feeling you ain't catching shit. I'm calling it quits. Swift, I kept it legit and you taking the piss. You fronted when you said you popped this shit. You broke your heart on the low real shit. I ain't really about this drama, little beat. Ain't trying to be a douche, but I'm finna dip. Ain't enough weed in my switching for this. I'll call you an Uber, call your friend and just. Hey, you can
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, this for the West Coast CD.
I think I found it.
Let me clear my throat.
Oh shit.
Check it out. We're gonna drop it like this.
Yeah.
This album is the best of both worlds. This for the West Coast side. Don't forget about for the West Coast one. Sagging, nigga G up, sippin', slip nigga, dip nigga, set trip nigga, got a grip nigga, get a grip nigga with the gang and rollin' with the Alpine bangin'. Only what you got, a couple sacks to sell. Moving weed to dope to max to sell. Hit a switch nigga, don't fuck around with bitch niggas. I'm a money cash nigga, cash eating hash, hitting gang bang affiliate. Hit a stick real quick, and in a minute start killing shit real quick. I'm $1 million.
Was that it? Is that the dance? Bro, were you guys vibing to that? Bro, I was low-key vibing. Alright, let's bring it back.
Motherfucking $1 million. I thought you knew about it. Now the homies about it. I'm about to do this. Get a lick, then hit back with some new shit that have a gangster reunion. The homies told me, get your boogie on, youngster. See walk, homie. Get your walk, homie. See walk, homie. See walk, homie.
Bro, it's so hot in here. It's so fucking hot in here. Oh, bro, you're wet. No, chill, bro. Dude, it's so hot in here. Oh, we had to open the door. Alright, what do we do? You guys think I can solve this or what? Alright. Do you guys want background music or is that weird? Oh shit. Let me know if the music is weird or not. Alright. Are the vibes chill in here? Like in the office? Oh, it's kind of hard. Alright, we're gonna solve the Rubik's Cube now. Give us some dramatic music. Okay, dude, good call. I need you around, bro. You have some great ideas. Alright. Here, copyright, 3, dramatic. I gotta have this stuff loaded. Alright, what do we got? Okay, here we go. Can he solve the Rubik's Cube? Wait. Okay, this is good. Alright, you guys ready?